Hi all, in this video we will see how to configure weekly offs or general holidays. To configure weekly offs or general holidays, you have to go to payroll settings. That you have to click on your company name, then you have to go to payroll settings. Under payroll settings, you have to go to holidays. Under holidays, you can configure weekly holiday or general holiday. First, you have to create a leave calendar year if it is not created. To create a leave calendar year, you have to click on this add leave year. You can enter the leave calendar year to date. Then you have to save. Once you created leave year, then you have to choose for which leave year you are updating the weekly offs or general holidays. Then to configure weekly holiday, you have to choose which day is the weekly off. And on this particular day, which all weeks the weekly off, that you have to select and then save. And if there is one more weekly off, again you can choose one more day as a weekly off. And for this day also, which are all weeks you are giving a weekly off, that all weeks you have to choose. And if you are working half a day on a particular day, you have to enable this option half a day. And if you are working half a day, if employee applies a leave, whether full day leave should get considered or it should get considered half a day, that you can configure by enabling this. If you want full day leave to be deducted, you have to check this consider full day leave for leave rules. Like this, you can configure the weekly holiday. This is the company level configuration. So whatever the weekly offs you configure here, it will be applicable for all employees. Next, general holiday. If you want to create a general holiday, you have to choose a date. You can enter the holiday name. And you have to choose whether it is a optional holiday or fixed holiday. If it is a restricted or optional holiday, if you are not giving all employees a holiday on this particular day, you can enable this as restricted or optional holiday. So whichever employee opts for the same, he can go for a holiday. If it's a fixed holiday, if you want all employees to be applicable, then you have to uncheck this. Then this will be a fixed holiday which will be applicable for all employees. And then you have to save. This is date wise, you can update here. If you want to import the holidays, you can click on this import holidays. You can download a template. We'll get an Excel template where you can update all the details, and then you have to browse the Excel sheet, and then you have to click on import. This is bulk import of all the holidays at a time. If you have multiple branches, if branch wise your holiday list differs, in such cases first you have to enable that branch wise holiday option. For that you can go to configure rules, advanced settings. You have to enable this. Different holiday calendar for locations. Then you have to save. Then now under holidays, you will get here branch option. Okay, so you can, if you have multiple branches, you can choose a particular branch. For that particular branch, you can configure the weekly offs or general holidays like this. This is how you can configure weekly offs or general holidays in this application. Thank you for watching this video.